What's happening, everyone? Welcome. I can't start like that. That's cringy as well.
What's happening, everyone? No, I don't see what's happening, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I hope you're well. I hope you enjoyed the last video. Today, I'm going to be making a beat again. Now, we're making music again. Woo! Because I haven't made music in a while. I've been doing the reaction content, but I'd still want to do this as well. So I'm just mixing and matching, seeing what does better. If you do like this kind of video, drop a like and comment down below if you want to see more. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Follow us on Instagram as well to keep up to date with all my music stuff. We've got an album in the works. I'll be posting updates on there and on the Trippy City account as well, which is mine and Lee's joint little venture. But yeah, let's just get on with the video. Look around like you. Come out of my time lapse right now because I realised I had the settings wrong for the audio, so you won't have actually heard anything I've just done. However, this is what I've got so far. I'm just going to mute this for now. Spacey, I know. So now I'm trying to add some guitar, but this guitar, for some reason, it just sounds ridiculous, and I don't know how to. Okay, my camera turned off. I haven't made any progress from where I was. Okay, I'm gonna flex it because it's out of time a bit. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect either, like just little bits need like that. I'm gonna add some reverb as well. I want to take this one up because I feel like there's too much going on in the low. Alright, so this is what we've got. This is what we've got so far. I've actually added real guitar, which I've never done before. So tick off the list for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna say. I feel like it's turning into a little bit of like a trap beat, you know, like a Sorry, I'm just gonna sort this out. I think it's turning into a bit of a trap beat. Like, I can just hear like some like drums on this one. So yeah, I'm just gonna add some drums. Can I just say, like, how sick is that, by the way? Back with a time lapse. I need to be quick because my camera's about to die and I don't want to die. If it goes off, it died, and I'll catch back up with you at the end. But yeah, I'm gonna try and just throw some more throw some 808s on now. These normally take us the longest to do as well. I'm gonna be using the Spins 808 in this. Got a link down below as well. So just follow the link. I'm back. It's the next day. My camera died as I was like telling you about my camera dying, but I did end up finishing the beat. I think it's pretty good. I have recorded some vocals on it, but I ain't gonna show you them because that was just for melody referencing. But yeah, this is the beat. Just gonna mute them vocals. Tell us what you think. Ooh, that's still zoomed in. Well, yeah, that's the beat. Let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy the video. Let us know if you like this kind of content again, and I'll keep doing it again. And drop a comment in the description. No, drop a comment down below if you know like what kind of like who would be on this, because I don't even know. I feel like Post Malone, but I'm not sure. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in a bit.